Guys, I'm going to show you how to wrap up these ratchet straps for storage. I'm not exactly discovering America with this, but you know, there's a couple of videos I've seen of people doing this. It seems like they're just wasting their time wrapping these things up individually. I'll show you what I mean. You know, so you take the ratchet strap, you close it up, and you leave the little turny thing so you could just thread it through easily. So you just thread it through, right? And just bring the tag end all the way, right? So you have about this much left over of tail, right? Here's the difference between how I do it and how other people do it. I've seen people standing here doing this crap, rolling it individually. What a big waste of time. Don't do that. You don't need to do it like that. All you have to do is this, right? Just take this, take the tag end, bring it here, right? Just fold it over. Don't stand there wasting your time wrapping these damn things up individually. Just got the time for all that stuff. Just do this. Look, fold it up, fold it up, fold it up. Look at that. Fold it up, fold it up one more time, maybe. Not your choice. There you go. You got about this much, right? And all you do is just kind of wrap it a couple times like so. Put it on top here. All right. Let's see. Oh, nope. I need a little more slack. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it like that. Fold it over. Like so. Give it a quick ratch. And you're done. Whoop-ah. Nice and simple.